I was just mounting these on the bucket here and realized I never did post that video you just watched. So now it is months and months later. We're gonna do a little update. You can tell I used the hell out of these things. Got some paint going off there, a little rust going on, but these things have been used. So we're making the big move to the other side of the property, and these things have hauled lumber, metal fence panels, corral panels, I mean, all kinds of stuff. Now this bucket was already been up. I haven't done any more damage to the bucket, but they've held up pretty good. And today I'm going to move a chicken coop. We're in the final stages of the move because the house is pending. We got a closing date set, and we're out of here. The chickens are not happy. I've got them blocked off from their coop. Yeah, I know. You guys are pissed. Hello. Kennel from the Kennel build video. Got a fresh paint job on it. Graceland Homes finally showed up and painted it. I'm just going to set her down. I still got some prep work to do on the pin part. Got her dropped off, but I'm going to put those boards underneath it, and that didn't quite work out, so might have to have a little help here for that. Well, the coop is moved. It's ready for birds. Now comes the fun part. I got to catch these dang things. Probably have to go get help for this. Unless you guys want to cooperate. No? That's what I figured. Who's going to be first to try out the new coop? Who's it gonna be? Oh, that's a nice one there. I'll get two. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, fucker. Just got spurred by a damn rooster. You were nice and calm. Rooster's got to be next since he's trying to kill me. Yeah, big boy, I'm coming for you. Don't go out now. That's a big boy. Whew. I got him. That rooster takes care of his women. You can tell it's making him mad. Where'd the last one go? I'm going to have to come back and pick up all this corn and cucumbers and stuff I just put in here yesterday, and zucchini. Uh-oh. You trapped. Sorry. Sorry. Oh shit, I just knocked the board down. Oh, man. Okay. 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 We got it. Got crazy there for a second. Oh, and the rooster is pissed off. It's okay, buddy. I got them all. They're all coming with you. There we go. Okay, let's do this. Enjoy the ride. Here's what the big boy did to my foot there. Nice work. You guys ready? Huh. Well, my bird dog's going nuts. I might be too close to her. Well guys, thanks for watching. As you can tell, I'm getting a lot of use out of those cheap forks. So, catch you later. I need to go cool off.